It's another rainy day in the lovely Iraq. This is what our life looks like. Mud, water, mud, water. Could be worse. We have at least gravel on the ground, so that makes it bearable instead of ankle deep mud.
Hey everyone, welcome back to A Warrior's Garden. It's good to see you again. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Always enjoy these moments that we get to visit. I just wanted to give you an update where we're at with the garden, and to be honest, I'm not really sure. I'm still deployed, and some of the news I'm getting from back home from my family is depressing. I'm afraid the garden is probably in a bad shape. Even with what my daughter has shown me with some of my pictures of some of my dragon fruit, yeah, it's not looking good. We had a hard winter with some hard freezes. I wasn't there to put burlap or anything over to protect them. The guy I hired to kind of take care of the yard and everything, I mean, he did his job, but that was outside his realm. So unfortunately, it didn't get tended to. So I'm really worried. I'm going to go back to a dead garden. Really worried about it. So here's some pictures of what I do know from what I've seen from back home. As you can see here, the dragon fruit don't look good. They're alive. That gives me hope. And I hope I can save them. And in this picture, this is my raised beds. And as you can see, amazingly, my pepper plants have been hanging on. So good on them. If they're still there when I get there, boy, they've got the king seat right there. They're going to stay right where they are because they're doing a fantastic job, even through this harsh winter. My grapes, I think, will be just fine. Of course, I got to do some trimming, and you can see them in the back here. The rest of the yard, I'll be honest, I don't really know. Now, the one guy that I have who's working as a landscaper, he did plant an avocado tree for me, kind of unbeknownst to me. He did it as a gift, I guess you could say. It's not in an ideal location in the yard, but let's see if we can make it work. I mean, it is where it is. I don't plan to move it now, and I'm going to see if I can make that tree grow. I would love to have avocados. With that being said, the direction I want to go when I get home, now I'm just a few weeks away, I definitely want to do more videos on the garden, and we're going to definitely work together and do a lot more stuff. Here's some of the ideas I have, and if you guys have some ideas, put them in the comments. But I am going to plant a mango tree. I'm excited about that. There's a fellow in Apache Junction, the Seamus O'Leary, that I really want to get with and look at some mango trees to put in here. I'm definitely going to plant some banana trees. I have two little grandsons that just eat me out of house and home when it comes to bananas. Plus, I like them too. So I want to plant banana trees, at least two. I'm going to look at maybe Barbados cherries. Hopefully my apricot's still alive. I don't know about that one. And I might actually try experimenting with pineapple. So I'm not sure yet. I'm kind of up in the air about that. I'm trying to look at stuff that's going to produce well and give my family enjoyable, reliable food that they will eat. So here's the other thing I'm thinking, and I've still got to look into all the HOA legalities. Dang it. Is backyard chickens. And I believe as long as I have them as pets and a reasonable number, I can have some backyard chickens. And I'd really like to do that. I've had chickens before. Many years ago, my wife and I leased 20 acres for a short period of time. And we had chickens back then, and I miss having them. I miss having those farm fresh eggs. So this is the direction we're going. I plan to reduce the size of my grass footprint more, so I can have more area for either fruit trees or raised beds or things like that. That's in my to-do list. But I also want to put in a fire pit, and that's in my to-do list as well. But I got to see which weighs out more. I might put some things in the front yard that I can get away with without getting in trouble. I've already got a Peruvian apple out in the front. I'm curious to see how that one's doing as well, and if it's ever produced. Probably not. But what the hell? Let's see what we can do. This is the excitement about it. This is the excitement of gardening, the challenge, you know? And I'm looking forward to getting back to it. And I'm looking forward to having you guys along for the ride. So, like I said, if you have any ideas or comments, post them down there. And if you like all this, subscribe, hit the like button, and tick that little bell so you will get notifications every time I post something new, especially when I start doing the new stuff in the garden. You want to see those things and see how it goes. Talk to y'all later. Stay safe.